For example, like for myself, I submit a claim to the insurance or I do a crown on a patient that I feel like this patient needs a crown based on my educational judgment. Then it goes to the insurance and the insurance denies it, right? So it almost makes you feel like, well, then what did I go to dental school for if I'm doing this based on my clinical expertise and my education? And then you guys are denying it. That becomes a little bit of a challenge. And why do you think that's the case? Is that because the insurance doesn't trust the doctor, or do you think that the insurance wants to do their own due diligence? What is the reason behind that?
I think that's a really good question and a fair question. I think it's a combination of the both. I think insurance is a business, so they want to pay out as little money. They want optimum revenue for the business of the insurance company. But when it comes to a claim, they want to give every reason to not have to reimburse you the maximum amount. So what you'll see when there's not the proper keywords inside claims for like crowns or like a claim for a crown must show that there's less than 50% tooth structure remaining for proper crown retention. So if those specific numbers or verbiage isn't included, then it's going to automatically deny before it even goes to a doctor who's denying it. I think that the goal is to ultimately, as a business, the insurance doesn't want to pay out as much money. However, when you have a good billing specialist and you're properly credentialed with optimum reimbursement, you can make the PPOs work for you. It's kind of scandalous, but I'm all about getting the doctor to not have to work for the PPOs. And it's taboo to talk about because for the last 10 years, most practices work for the PPOs. And that's something that's kind of like a hard pill to swallow, but we can change that.